Hey there, fall lovers! Today, we're making the perfect pumpkin pie, a cozy treat that's full of flavor and just the right amount of spice. Whether it's for Thanksgiving or just a sweet autumn craving, this pumpkin pie will be a hit. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of pure pumpkin puree, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, your favorite pie crust. Start by mixing your eggs, sugar, and spices in a bowl. Add in the pumpkin puree, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Once your filling is nice and smooth, carefully pour it into your pie crust. Make sure it's evenly spread. Now pop your pie in the oven at 425 degrees Celsius, 220 degrees C for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the heat to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees, and bake for another 40 to 45 minutes, or until a knife comes out clean. Once it's done, let it cool down for about an hour. And now, it's time to enjoy your perfectly baked pumpkin pie. Look at that golden crust and smooth, spiced filling. Perfectly delicious. Serve with a dollop of whipped cream and enjoy this fall classic with family and friends. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy baking, everyone!